Apple Watch band. Update your Apple Watch with this sophisticated genuine blush pink leather band featuring stitching accents and rose gold tone faux screw lugs. The polished stainless steel rose gold tone buckle will keep your device securely on your wrist. The Anne Klein band is made from genuine premium leather. Compatible with 38mm, 40mm and 41mm Apple Watches, Series 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Secure closure. The reliable watchband style means you can trust it to stay in place. Plus, the stainless steel buckle closure is adjustable with multiple size options for your ultimate comfort. It's a great Apple Watch band for women. Adjustable buckle. The Anne Klein leather Apple Watch band is sized to fit most wrists and hardware is included to easily and securely lock band into watch. Please note the Apple Watch device is not included, bands are sold individually. Premium leather. The Anne Klein leather Apple Watch wristband is handcrafted from premium, genuine leather. It develops character with use, making each band unique. Top reviews from the United States. This Anne Klein leather watch band is of very nice quality. The fittings where it attaches to the watch are metal, not plastic, and they slid in as easily as the original Apple band. It is definitely genuine leather. The only thing that looks less than 100% sturdy is the second little band that you can see in the photo I uploaded. It has one stitch holding it, but with care it should be fine. That little band is always the weakest part of a leather watchband. Like any watchband of this kind, it is a little stiff right now because it is new, I think. Because you need your watch to fit snugly, it may be trial and error and a little effort getting it tight enough, but I expect the leather to soften up with a little use. It really is a different and more classic look for your Apple Watch. I purchased the white, but it is more of an ivory than a stark pure white. It blends well with the space gray.